Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sylvia Styles, and in today's video we are going to be doing straight back cornrows, perfect for all occasions, especially school and work. So I start by spraying water in my hair, applying leave-in conditioner, and then detangle my hair. So when you're doing cornrows, remember your hair has to be well detangled. Straighten it, blow dry it. Make sure that your hair is really well detangled before cornrowing your hair, because if you don't, them cornrows, they are going to give you pepper. Yes, so I'm doing a side part, and I'm going to be doing like 5 cornrows. The big section I'm going to be doing 3 cornrows, and the smaller section 2 cornrows. And I'm also using Brazilian wool. For the hair wax, I'm using La Fresh hair wax. So I'm applying gel on my hair, brush it in, and then start braiding. So I start with my hair, and after I feed in slowly by slowly, so I keep on increasing the feed-in extensions, yes, to give me a more chunky look. So it is smaller at the beginning, but it keeps on getting bigger as it goes to the end. So I'm going to let you watch this video, and I'm going to be back shortly. If you don't know how to cornrow your own hair, I have a lot of detailed tutorials on how to cornrow your own hair. Please check them out. So I hope you can see how well our cornrow is coming in place. So I'm going to keep doing this to the rest of my hair, and I'm going to be back shortly. So I'm going to let you watch the video. So I'm going to be working on a bigger section. So this is going to be a bigger cornrow. That's why I'm adding a lot of gel, using a hard brush to slick my hair really well, to make sure I get a really neat cornrow. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do hair tutorials, DIY hair, natural hair tutorials, hair care tutorials, skin care, a little bit of everything about beauty. Please subscribe to my channel. Tap on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any new video. And please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comments section. So I'm almost, I'm halfway. I'm only remaining with 2 braids. I hope you can see how beautiful these braids they look. And this didn't even take me, it took me less than an hour to do these cornrows. also I'm just applying some gel, and then make sure I slick all the flyaway hair, because these two are really big cornrows, so I really want to get a sleek, neat look. So I make sure I'm tucking in all the flyaway hair inside the cornrow using the rat tail comb. I'm laying my edges using the same gel that I used to braid. I'm also using hair mousse. This is ORS, olive oil wrap and set mousse. It also helps to lay all the flyaway hair, makes it lay down so that you get a neat look, all neat cornrows, and it also feels good on the scalp. So if you have, when you braid, you have those small hair that keep standing up, so it makes them all fall back, all lay back. And that's why I'm tying a satin wrap to let it marinate and make everything lay down, as you can see after removing the scarf. I mean, this is very beautiful, I tell you. I really like this hairstyle, and I hope you like it too. This is so suitable for work, it is suitable for school. So I'm spraying some sheen spray for the shine, and if you really have this white cast that comes with the gel, the oil helps to get rid of that. Also the sheen spray also helps to get rid of the white casts from the gel. So this is the hairstyle of the day. Bye, I'll see you in my next video.